Hey, are you looking for some type of book that you can carry in clinical that you can use for every day? It's lightweight. It is fully contained with so much good information that you need for clinical. I have the perfect book for you. Actually, I have two, but I'm going to talk about one right now in this video. If you're interested in that, stay tuned. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamicia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back, guys. Thank you for sticking in there with me. Y'all know I've been kind of absent, but I am back and I am ready to roll. Now, you guys, I need to first say that you guys know that I created a nurse practitioner planner for you guys. Please check that out on von-capri.com. I'll put it up here on the screen. I feel like this planner is excellent. It's good for so many things, for charting your day out, for jotting down some notes, things like that, and keeping you on track with your mental health. So it's amazing, and I really need you guys' support on that. So that is amazing.
If you don't plan, you plan to fail. Von-Capri created our student planners and our mental health planners with this very phrase in mind. We believe that every day of life should have direction. If you don't plan it, you don't do it. Our planners are designed to organize just as any planner would, but we recognize that life can get stressful and hectic. Our planners have identified areas where we feel our customers' health and well-being is an active plan for daily improvement and should never be neglected. Von-Capri, plan with us.
Also, this little gem, I know you guys probably already know about it, but this thing here, you guys, it has really replaced like my big 5-minute clinical consult, my family practice manual that I love to talk about, that I have a video on that you guys probably have already seen. But it's so lightweight, I can just put it in my lab coat. And it's the soap for family medicine. And you guys, the way that this is broke down, it is so super easy to use. The very first part of the book, it has some really good abbreviations and whatnot. So I don't know if you guys could see that, but it has abbreviations that you might not have seen or you're not familiar with. So that is good. And it has all of your lab values. Can you guys see that? Your normal and your abnormal lab values, so you don't have to necessarily memorize them. And guys, personally, I do think that you should memorize them. But if by chance you're just, you know, in a situation where you're flustered and you can't remember, or you really need some extra help, this is excellent. This works really well. So it goes into the just the basic lab values, and then it talks about how to write a soap note. So let's see, is that better? So as you guys know, in our field, that's all we do. You know, we write soap notes, and you're going to need to know how to do that. Even if your charting is computerized, you're still going to need to know how to write a soap note, especially if you're in school and in clinic. So the first part of the book does go into medicine, and it talks about how to take a history and physical. The very first, gosh, I hope you guys can see that. It talks about how to do a history and physical, but what it does, it puts it in the soap note format. Listen, y'all. Now, I know my nurse practitioner planner is awesome. It is. Love it. But if you need to add something to your repertoire, this little gem is excellent. Excellent. It jumps right into the everyday things that we see in clinic, like allergic rhinitis, anemia, iron deficiency. It goes in order, like, you know, A, B, C, D. Appendicitis, asthma, and bronchitis, pneumonia. And it is, like I said, it's amazing. The other thing I wanted to point out, it also goes into like the newborn exam. Gosh, I'm trying to see, let's see, how to do the newborn exam, which is really, really good, because sometimes working with adults all the time, we kind of forget how to go about doing that. And it's awesome that this has a nice little tool in there for you. The other thing I wanted to point out to you, it has orthopedics in the back, like orthopedic positions of your exam, the maneuver and whatnot. It has a whole section dedicated to that. How to examine, how to treat, what medications that you should be prescribing. And I find that to be excellent. And I'm telling you guys, it's awesome. The other thing that I know that you're gonna love with this soap notebook is the section that it has on psych. Now, as far as psych in my practice, I don't necessarily use this section all the time. However, they are making us do the Columbia, the mini mental, or some type of PHQ exam on the patients. So this section right here has really come in handy for that. So I did want to share that section for you. This thing, I'm telling you, is a gem, and I love it. I do have some affiliate links in the description below, so pick up one. They're very inexpensive. I will put the price, I think it was like $29 or $34 or something like that, but it's really inexpensive for all of the good stuff that's in here. And then my nurse practitioner planner, that is $40 also, so it's really inexpensive. So these are some gems that I wanted to show you guys today, and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this content, please smash the like button. If you want to be a part of the extraordinary family, subscribe. I'd love to have you. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys.